Hello everyone, this is Jerry Stone. Sorry for not posting last week. I was very busy with other stuff. Anyway, here's another radio, and here's another radio that's not mine. This is a Admiral 215 tube portable. It's pretty similar to the, what was it, the Stuart Warner that we did a while ago, because it runs on tubes, but it runs on batteries, it's also AC powered, so this actually has two separate batteries that are admittedly smaller than the giant battery that the Stuart Warner used. I'm just gonna pull these out because it'll make it easier to service. So these are dead, but they look cool. So we'll probably do the average stuff: filter cap replacement, all of that, and yeah. So let's get into it. Alright, so this radio, it turns on, it hums. So, that's something. This mostly uses ceramic disc capacitors. The across the line cap might be up here, I'm not sure. That's going to be a little difficult to pull out this board from the radio, because it may actually be physically connected. Right now we're just going to recap it. Filter capacitors. Hopefully I'll solve the problem. Placing the filter capacitors doesn't solve all the problems. As you know, the Farnsworth, which still exists, we'll get back to it soon. That has I'm guessing something in the IF strip is dead. So we'll have to go back to that soon. But right now we'll just do this as a little bit of a break, so here's our two filter cans. So this is our low voltage cap, it looks like. This is 200 microfarads at 10 volts. So it's always a good custom to find all your replacement caps before cutting them out. So we'll go through the line. So we have a 10 microfarad at 200 volts. So this is a little, this is a little electrolytic kit. This is only $10 and has 200 pieces because low voltage electrolytics are pretty cheap. So what is it, 200 at 10? Yep, 200 at 10. You'd probably be thinking 10 to 200, but no. So we need a 200 microfarad. So, oh jeez. Jeez, these caps are getting small. It's a 10. This is at 220 microfarads at 25 volts. So not only is this like 100 times smaller, this is actually double the voltage rated. So we have two 400s at 47 and a 100 at 250. It does look pretty cool, but that's a lot of money. This is probably $5 to $10 a caps right here. Whatever. I made a mistake by buying an assortment. But now we know. Alright. So now that we actually found our caps, now we can cut these out. Looks like a Cornell double. That's on the volume pot. Oh, that's the across the line. So the other stuff's probably, you know, a bunch of, sorry, of course I forgot the name. Either way, it was very popular, by the way, thanks. There's not a second one. So there's all our filters. This is not going to be our final, this is not going to be our final arrangement. 1950s, probably Admiral. Will it work or will it boom? First power up feeling. Oh, that was quick. You can see this directional antenna. You can hear how much of a difference, like why.
This school year, he was...
We're gonna replace the across the line bomb before it is a bomb. And then we're going to try to discharge the filter so it doesn't discharge my life. Alright, let's hope we don't get spooked by these capacitors. Because it's Halloween after all. We should do a Halloween special. Alright, let me show you how easy it was to get to this. So here's our resistor, this is our power resistor. And then back here, this red thing, I don't know if you can see, but back there, with these two wires, that's the cap. And we're using this tip. Alright, I glued the filters in place. Also, a bad across the line cap can sometimes create noise, so that may solve the problem. Who knows?
Well, as far as I can see from my end, where we are surrounded by works of art, I have not seen
This is Legends. Let's see if we can...
surveillance. I was in the UC this weekend, the Botticelli painting.